This video is in support of our submission for verification of our integration with the Google API Calendar, which is deemed to be of a sensitive scope. Water Street franchise management software is entirely cloud-based and requires a username and password. Each of our clients will use a distinct domain based on our primary domain of waterstreet.net. The subdomain will identify the client themselves. In this case, I'm using an example of core.waterstreet.net. A user logs into our application and is presented with a calendar. It is the intent to synchronize our calendar with the Google Calendar in both directions. In order to do so, the user must authenticate by providing their Google account and then going through the authentication process. Both of our privacy policy and terms of services are maintained and currently up to date. And available on our primary website. Once the user is authenticated, they will be able to add calendar events in Google, and they will be able to add calendar events in my calendar. And both will sync in both directions. We have noticed that there is a bit of a delay between the sync from Google to my calendar, but ultimately the two will sync. And of course, the user has the ability to remove Google Calendar authentication. And again, we are providing all of the parameters as required by the scope, including a logo, privacy policy, and terms of service. Thank you for your consideration. This is the end of the video.